Alright. Can you say what's up, guys?
Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Pigweed Farms. Today, it is currently January the 3rd, and our packages came in a little early today. So they're supposed to be here tomorrow, but they came in today, so we're going to put it together. You filming with us too?
I'm here.
So I got the bright idea to buy 2 greenhouses off of Evor the other day. So if you want to get you 2 greenhouses, there's a link in the description. And we're going to use them as chicken coops. So probably thinking, Seth, that's dumb. And it probably is.
Thinking, Seth, don't you have enough chicken coops?
Probably thinking, Seth, don't you have something better to spend your money on? And no, I do not. So, we're planning to breed a lot more chickens this year, and I want to crossbreed a bunch of them. And the only way to do that is to keep all the roosters in one pen and just throw the roosters I want in there at the time. So, we're going to see how long it takes to throw this together today. See how far we get. I got 2 of them, and the only reason I bought 2, I'm wanting to use one for meat birds. If I can figure out a way to put it on a skid, we're going to do that. Sorry, guys. I had a rooster trying to attack a duck, in lack of better terms. So, we're going to get this put together. It's pretty heavy. It's a pretty big box. So, like I said, like I was saying, this is $124. It's completely covered. Got 12 windows, big roll-up front door. The big chicken coops, this one is a 10 by 20. Looked at the same style coop. It was about, I believe, around the $200 range. So, I buy 2 of these for the price of one of the other styles, and I'll put a picture up right now.
Hey!
Get him, Brooks! Get him!
Look at them pretty girls. Sorry.
Look at him.
Pretty girls on a tree.
Mm-hmm. Alright. I'm out of breath. We had Rooster try to attack Brooks. So.
You know he's running over there to where he is.
Yeah. Brooks don't learn.
No self-preservation in that child.
He thinks playing with roosters is fun. Now he's got a wampum stick. So, let's put this chicken greenhouse together. Alright guys, we got it done. We got her done roughly 2 hours. And that was chasing after a 2-year-old most of the time. So we only got a couple of the windows open on each side right now. It's up. I went around the bottom and put zip ties. I cut through just a little slit inside the thing, or into the cover, and stuck zip ties through because we're putting chickens in here. We're about to put them in here tonight. So those guys right there, those three right there. All right guys, it is the following day. We ain't been too long, got home from church, got some lunch. Didn't finish the video up last night, but we are here to finish it up today. Such a pretty day out today, guys. The good Lord blesses us beyond. Such a beautiful day. Blue skies, a couple little clouds. Feels amazing. So last night me and Brooks put 5 chickens inside of here, and he got to the point where he was just done. Every time I would catch one, he would cry because he would hear it screaming and hollering. But then he would want to catch one, and it was a domino effect. So let's get in here and check on these guys and gals this morning. All right, so I'm in here in the greenhouse. I do have, is it 3 or 4 windows open right now, and it feels really good in here. I'm not gonna lie, it seems to hold pretty well. I think what I'm gonna do is come somewhere right in here and kind of build me out a door frame. Like I said, I'll put this on a big skid so I can pull it around with a side-by-side. So if I build it on a big enough skid, I should be able to put a doorway in, and then the door still work like it's supposed to. But I got these. There's a chicken missing. Where's she? She must have got out of one below spot or something. So we had a few of these sapphire gems. Yeah, I see where she got out at. Nope, she's right there. She was under the deal. Have y'all laid any eggs? Mama's probably mad that I'm using the boys' trampoline for this, but she'll be okay. So we got 2 sapphire gems and 1 Americana and 1 something else. I don't know what she is. And guys, what kind of rooster is this right here? I've been trying to Google and figure it out. It was some of them straight run, just barnyard mix that we got. And I couldn't tell you what he is. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off here. Hope you enjoyed it. We do have another one we have to put together, but y'all have done seen that. So guys, if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and like, subscribe. Y'all ain't gonna want to miss much more of this. I am going to a 2 video a week schedule. So we're gonna be on Mondays and Thursdays. And probably posting around 5 o'clock, letting it get out around 5. So 2 Mondays and Thursdays at 5 o'clock, we're gonna be posting videos twice a week to help the algorithm get going. Guys, if you haven't already, go like and subscribe. We have a bunch of good stuff coming this year. Me and Mara's been sitting down trying to figure out everything, and we got a bunch of exciting stuff coming. Y'all just gonna have to stay tuned and watch. Guys, remember, Jesus loves you. God bless you. We love you, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.